In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a book cover in Canva. If you're creating your first novel, designing a lead magnet for your business, or putting together a photo book, getting the cover right can feel surprisingly tricky. A layout that looks off balance, text that feels crowded, or artwork that gets cut off can quickly slow the whole process down. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier by giving you ready-made book cover dimensions and simple tools for arranging everything neatly. To get started, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page dashboard, go to the search bar in the center of the screen and type book cover. Then press enter. Canva will load a full range of book cover templates in the correct size, which helps you avoid sizing mistakes right from the beginning. When the results appear, you can browse the templates, but if you want to build your cover from scratch, look for the option that says Create a blank book cover. Click that, and Canva will open a fresh design workspace with a clean vertical canvas. Starting with a blank file is a great choice if you want full creative control or if you're aiming for a more original look. Next, it's time to build the visual foundation of your cover. On the left-hand sidebar, click Elements, then scroll down to the Photos section. In the search field, type a keyword that matches the theme or genre of your book. For example, you might search for something dramatic, minimal, romantic, or nature-based, depending on the mood you want. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas, then resize it using the corner handles until it fills the space the way you want. Try to choose an image that leaves enough room for your title to remain easy to read. Once the background is in place, move to the text tab on the left sidebar and click Add a Heading. A text box will appear on your cover. Type in your book title, then use the toolbar to choose your font style and adjust the size. You can also add your author name the same way. As you move the text around, Canva will show alignment guides to help you center everything cleanly. Keep your title concise so it stays visually balanced and easy to read at a glance. When your design looks finished, take a moment to check the spacing and overall alignment. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, and choose Download. Set the file type to PDF print for high quality output. If you're preparing the cover for print, also enable crop marks and bleed so trimming is more accurate. Finally, click Download to save your finished book cover. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.